Let's make this beautiful night lamp. Take a cardboard and cut 3 circles. Now take a paper roll. Put it on the circle. Measure it from all sides. It should be equal. Now make a circle and cut it. Make cuts in all 3. Now make a cut for the wire. Stick them all. Paint it all black or any color you want. Paint, paint, paint. Now take bamboo sticks and paint them. Or you can make paper rolls. Take a thread. Make 2 pieces. Place the stick. Now take 1 piece of thread and make tie as shown in the video. Do the same on other side. Repeat the process with every stick. Now it's done. Tie the opposite ends together from top and bottom. Now I have made the cup below for the battery. Wrap the light around the roll. My husband was helping me with this. Now place the sticks on the stand. Now I have cut a circular card to support the sticks and keep them in place. Cover the top. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.